Hi everyone, welcome back. This is the Solana session and we'll start off with the daily chart as usual. The pink box you've already seen before. If you're not new to this is the short-term playground zone. The white one down here is the long-term. We'll touch on that later when I go to the weekly chart. And last time we talked about the price was hovering around the short-term playground zone resistance line, and it broke out earlier this week, and then now it returns to within the zone. Before I get into further detail, let's show this disclaimer first. This is for educational research purpose only, and obviously I would love to discuss with you about this interesting price actions. If you're looking for financial advice, please always consult your local licensed financial professionals. So let's begin. Here, obviously we saw quite a lot of activities about almost 2 weeks over here. Yeah, just a rough box here. So it's understandable or expected that when the price returns, it will have a kind of support over here. So there are a lot of trading activities earlier here, so it would naturally have some support. In terms of candlesticks pattern, there's isn't any obvious one yet. So earlier it was coming down this way, but now it kind of set foot here, setting a support. Would it be a mini head and shoulder? What I'm referring to is this shoulder, this head. Would it come up a little bit and then come back down again? We'll see. So in terms of volume, get away with the advertisement. So it's again declining, as we can see. Obviously people are trying to wait and see probably, and they're not making much large moves, and the price range is very narrow as well, so there's not much supply or demand either way. In terms of the Wyckoff, let's look at the weekly chart. So we talked about we are coming down from the upthrust, and here we see 2 weeks of consecutive support right around 190. Right now it's 189 close to. So I would expect it's somewhere around here that it will make a pause. So why I say this, because we can see from the buying climax, the automatic response, as you say, the red candle, it closes here, and then the secondary test has closed somewhere around here as well, so somewhere between 180 to 183. And then the second time was this second test over here, just around August, mid-August. So it's natural that we have some kind of support around the same level. So that's the current situation. And then if it really happens similar to last time, we see there's a little bit of rebound over here. So similarly, after the upthrust, we can also say that's last point of supply. Let's add the tag here. So it happens similarly. Remember I talked about the support levels somewhere around the buying climax or the secondary test. Similarly, we had that last time, and then 2 consecutive weeks of drop before it found support again around the automatic response level last time. But this time we already had that earlier, and if it's coming down this time, I would guessing obviously by looking at the candlesticks. So we have 4 at this level, and then another 4 around here, and another 2 around here. So this could be the first support level, and then if we look at these starting from early March all the way to mid-September, there were around 10 candles at this level. So let's take a cross here. The first would be around $160, and the second would be around 130. So these two are the levels. If it really retreats, the price really retreats, that's the first level 160, and the other level 130. This is not yep, I have to draw it this way, unfortunately. It's not a brush. So what would happen can be with these two support levels, the price may bounce a little bit here, there, and then come down and do some range bound. Why I'm saying that? Because if we look at here, last time buying climax, secondary test, very short period, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks only. And then this time we have from the buying climax all the way to where it shoot up to the upthrust, we had roughly 32 weeks. So from 6 weeks to 32 weeks, more than 5 times the length in terms of duration. So I would expect there are a little bit more activity and support when the price drops to this level before it goes further down. So hopefully that's what would happen for Solana. Nobody can be certain, because there can be some news that are really bad and it doesn't bounce around here. There's 2 levels, 130 to 160, and go straight down to the PSY level. The PSY level would be around, let's say, 95 to 100. So these are the levels that would happen in maybe 2 to 3 months if there are no particularly good news for Solana. That's all for Solana for now. See you in the Ethereum session.